What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing and a first impressions video, maybe a couple weeks now. I've been doing some quick buy guides and some before you buy videos. I've also introduced a new segment to the show, a consumer and technology news segment. I don't know if I'm gonna do it every day. I want to do it every single day because there are important topics that relate to consumer news that I would like to talk about every day, especially recalls. Anyways, I thought that I would switch it up today. I have this product in hand. My dad purchased this online. It is by a company called Stamina. It is called the AB Hyper Bench Pro. This is a convenience good. He picked it up on Amazon for about 130 bucks. He really wants to get back in shape. I want to get back in shape as well. I also want to do an unboxing and a first impressions of this today and maybe give you guys an idea of the difficulty of putting this thing together. So anyway, let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions of this and see what it's like to put this thing together. Let's see how difficult it is. So I've got this new pocket knife here. We're no longer using the kitchen knife. I've learned from other tech reviewers that that's a bit of a no-no. I should probably go out and buy a damn box cutter so that I can get these straps off, but nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and make a bit of a mess here today. My dad's been wanting me to put this machine together for a few weeks now. So, this is the Stamina AB Hyper Bench Pro. Like I said, you can pick it up on Amazon for about $130. Comes with the foam pads just like the gym equipment you use at your local gym, which is really cool. I'm really happy to see that these look to be of high quality and they look like they're gonna last a long time. It doesn't look like the foam is gonna like rub off on your legs or anything, which is really nice, but we'll have to find out and see. Inside, you've got the user manual and instructions for putting this thing together. We'll put that off to the side. There are a lot of pieces in here, so I imagine this is going to be, you know, not the most simple thing to put together, but actually really nice so far. Got this, what looks to be a backrest. This is a really nice nylon material. On the front of the back cushion here, you've got the Stamina logo. It's in gray and black. We've got this little orange pouch. You want to make sure that when you get this out of the box that it's not open and that it's not missing parts. This one is really intact and seems to be in good shape. It's really nice and sealed. So in this orange bag comes all of your nuts and bolts, and I can't tell if there are tools in there or not, but it looks like nuts, bolts, washers to put this thing together. Like I said, guys, a lot of pieces in here, so I don't know what this is, but it comes with that. Oh, you know what? Actually, this looks like you put, let's see here. Yeah, I think I've got the right idea. So you would attach the foam pads to this and screw this in somewhere, and this looks like it maybe holds your legs in. It's really nicely welded together down here. It's kind of hefty and sturdy, so it looks like it should be able to support your weight and then some. So far, I'm really surprised at this. This was only 130 bucks. I was actually expecting it to not be as nice, but okay, so here is where you will make all of your adjustments as well. You've got some of these plastic rubber grips on the end, which is really nice. Some more junk in here. This looks like a foot plate. So you got some really cool design in here, which is really nice to help you grip with your shoe, the sole or the foot of your shoe. Like I said, everything is really welded together nicely. I'm not joking, you know, workout equipment can either be really nice or really crappy, and this looks to be pretty nice. Okay, so this looks like a leg. So you've got some really nice plastic rubber feet that will grip the ground very nicely. This will stand up on the ground like this, provide a really nice base for the bench. This is something that you can just fit in your garage or have in your office or maybe even your bedroom. And some other just miscellaneous parts that will help us put the machine together. It's very heavy duty. All these pieces are very nicely welded together. Nothing is like rubbing off on my hands or anything like that. When I used to work at Cost Plus World Market, which is a retail store down here in Southwest Florida, they have all kinds of like home goods and things like that. And I would put furniture together all the time, and we would get this stuff from China, and there would just be this nasty metallic material on it that smelled weird, and it would rub off on your fingers, and it was just, ugh. It wasn't a very nice quality. But this, on the other hand, you know, I was expecting it to be cheap and crappy like that, and it's actually not. Everything is painted really nicely. Nothing's rubbing off on my hands. Nothing smells weird about this. This is a really nice, really nicely constructed piece of metal here, and I expect this machine to, once it's finally put together, also be of really nice quality. I'm gonna go ahead and build this machine off camera, do a little bit of reviewing with it. I'm gonna work out with it. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a couple weeks. My name is John. This Ab Hyper Bench Pro from Stamina is a convenience good. You can pick it up on Amazon for about $130. It's always great to stay in shape and to work out, and if you can do it in your own home and at your own time and at your own leisure, what's not to love? You know, gym memberships are costly. Sometimes going down to the gym sucks. Other people are using the machine, you know, for 130 bucks, you know, you can't go wrong. Anyways, guys, my name is John, and I will see you in the next video.